The next step number 7, we are going to do a counter ball. And you need not remove your workpiece. It's still on the same place. You are still mounting your workpiece like this. Right? You need not reset your X and Y datum. We can still use it, so it's okay. And then we are going to create a counter ball. What does a counter ball look like? Right? This hole will look like this. Okay? What will happen is that you drill through 4.5 millimeter already. Right? And the counter ball is only done on hole 1 and hole 2. These 3 holes are not counter ball. So we only do on 2 holes. Hole 1 and hole 2. Okay? Which is here and here. And a counter ball is, once you drill through with 4.5, which is what you did earlier, the counter ball is a tool whereby it's like a diameter 8. Okay? And it goes to the top and it's coaxial to this diameter 4.5. Coaxial means the 2 holes are aligned, the axes of the holes are aligned. Okay? And then it goes in depth by 4 millimeter. Right? Goes in deep by 4 millimeters. How do you know? Because your information is here from the drawing. It says diameter 4.5 through, means the diameter 4.5 hole is through. And this symbol where it's like a U like that, like a bracket, right? This is counter ball, diameter 8. And when you have a stroke with an arrow, it means that it goes in to the depth of 4 millimeters. And you need to do it twice, quantity times 2. And where is it? It's here and here. Okay? Now, how do we go about doing it? First, clean up your workpiece, then remove your drill. Okay? Or you can go over the machines. Then you remove your drill. Okay, remove your drill. And what does the counter ball tool look like? The counter ball tool looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Right? This diameter here is about 4 millimeters. This diameter is the one that we're cutting. Okay, 4.8. Then what we do is we install it. Same thing. But you need not overly tighten it. There's a reason why. Okay? Then what you do is that you keep this. This is my hole position number 1. Minus 21 plus 9. I didn't change it at all. Okay? And then what you do is you move your Z-axis up. And you should go into the hole. Alright? And what I do now is that I loosen this a little bit. Can you see I loosen this a little bit? So that it can touch. Can you see? And then I let this touch the surface of my workpiece and then I tighten it. Okay, then I tighten it. Okay, and there is a reason why I do that. Okay? What I do next is that I set my Z equals to 0. So this is the 0 height. Do you get it? Right? Now what happens is I make sure that I need to lock my quill. This one you have to lock your quill. So you can pull it out, you can lock your quill. Then you lower it this way. Okay? Alright? Then what you do next is you turn on your machine. And the speed is 700. Okay, the speed is 700. And then what you do is you go in. Okay. And you start removing material. And how much do you go in by? On the readout, 4 millimeters. So you just go in. Then occasionally you remove back out so that the chips can come out. Okay? Okay? Then you put it out. Right, this is a counter ball. So then you stop the machine. Right? And then you sit over it. Okay? This is your counter ball. Right? Then the next thing to do is move your y-axis. Your y-axis you move to plus 51.
So really doesn't need to
Yeah, it's open here because I
panic.
right? And do you need to reset your Z to 0?
No.
No, actually you don't need to, right? Because you already set it just now earlier on. Okay? Then you go about doing the second hole. Okay? Then you go about doing the second hole. If you are a bit paranoid, you can always check by bringing the tool close to the hole. Okay? Then when you turn on the machine, bring it in. The minute it touches or is close to it, right, then you see, it's about there, it's about 0 already. Right? Then you continue with the counter ball. Okay? Right? Got all the information? Okay, good. Let's go.
Do I need to hold it?
Yes.